Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make pinch bail earrings with Preciosa crystal pearls. Now, today I have two different styles, and I have two different colors, but we do have some other colors of these beautiful Preciosa pearls at Beadaholique.com. Now, this is a 10 millimeter pearl, and this does fit really nicely in the bulk of the different styles that we have here, so you can kind of see it on its side. And then from the front, it just really frames that pearl really beautifully. So I'm going to be, of course, finishing up my gold set here, but I also have this silver set with this lovely navy blue gem color pearl. So these pearls are really lovely because some of them have this gem color sort of coating on them. And then the other ones actually have like a pearlescent to them. So really feel like you can choose whichever style you like. But again, these are the 10 millimeter and they fit really nice in these findings. All right, so it's going to be really simple. So the only tools that you're going to need is really a pair of chain nose pliers. And if you want, you can add a pair of round nose pliers or bent nose pliers, whichever works best for you. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to take our pinch bail here, and you'll notice that it has a little seam in the center. And what we're going to do is you want to take it from about the center and just sort of pry it open just enough to slip our pearl in there. So those little prongs are going to go into those holes of that pearl. So just enough to get it in there. And then go ahead and line it up. And what we're going to do is we're going to pinch that together. Now start by pinching the bottom here, but you'll notice that it has a little spring to it. So then you can start to pinch a little bit towards the back because we want to try to close it as much as possible without really bending this piece at all. So you can see that it has that little kind of bend at the top, and that's totally normal. That actually has it beforehand. But as long as you can kind of shake it and it's not going to go anywhere, your pearl is going to be trapped in there. Now you are going to have a little bit of movement, but that's fine. But like I said, give it a good shake. Make sure that that prong has gone all the way through. There's no need to use any glue or anything with this. So the only thing that we need to do then is we just need to open up our little loop here. And like I said, you can use just your chain nose pliers, or if you want, you can sneak in your round nose pliers just to give a little extra stability. And what we're going to do is we're just going to open that little earring finding and slip on our earring. And it doesn't matter which way you do it because it will be the same both ways, the way the frame is done. And then you can just close it up with your chain nose pliers. And you have a nice, really quick pair of earrings. This is a great thing to make for, let's say, bridesmaids or bridal or even just the holidays. If you need a quick gift, this is going to be your best friend. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to Beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.